Hello Capricorn, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from the 28th of November to the 5th of December 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Now let's quickly look into your energies. Capricorn, you've got some wonderful cards. I've got the Change, which is the Wheel of Fortune, and the Sun under the deck. Whatever it is, you are in a very happy state, Capricorn, and I cannot be more happy for you. On your general energies, we've got Two of Cups and Six, the Lovers. So, Two of Cups here indicates that you could be finding someone that turns up to be your soulmate. You could find some sort of a work that is your extreme passion, and you could be very happy. Also, I find a possibility that you could be with someone and could have an option now when it comes to your love life. So, Capricorn, a little complicated energies, but overall there is a lot of love, a lot of prosperity in your life. There could be a choice with two twos. I see that there could be a choice. You could be involved with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be involved with a Gemini, or you could be involved with a Gemini and a water sign, and you're finding it very difficult to make a choice here, for their own respective reasons and their behaviors. But I feel that there is something that you're going to take a decision about, and this week will bring a lot of end to all the chaos that you have in your life. So, Capricorn, look forward to this. Although in your love life, I've got King of Pentacles and Nine of Cups, again a water energy card. So you may be involved with a water sign where you could feel that this person makes you feel like a king. Whatever you do when you're around them, everything turns out beautifully. This person could be super lucky for you, they must have hit like a comfort zone when it comes to this relationship. Even you seem to be extremely comfortable when it comes to this relationship, but this phase will not continue for a very long time. You will have to take some concrete steps to either finalize this relationship or level up when it comes to this relationship. This person has definitely hit a comfort point, and you two are now more involved onto the finances when it comes to your life. So whatever you do, try balancing out both sides of your life, because if you don't, things are soon going to start turning in for you, and then you will have to go through it the hard way. So before those circumstances arise, try being more involved in your love life as well. Onto your work, we've got Knight of Wands and Two of Wands. A lot of fiery energy, very passionate, very impatient, I would say. You know what you want. You're just exploring territories, and whatever it is that you want to march through it. Although, Capricorn, I have a piece of advice here that you need to slow down a bit when it comes to your career. Wait for a more fortunate time. You have a bird eye view, but you cannot still see all the elements that are involved here. So just wait out for a few more days before you take any concrete decisions when it comes to your work life. If you are going to make any big investments, hold it up for 2 to 3 days after the 28th, and only make a decision towards the month end. I would say by, or not even the month end, I would say by 1st or 2nd of December is the time when you should be looking at making any big decisions when it comes to your work. What you need to eliminate from your life as we end November: you need to eliminate the seriousness, you need to lighten up, you need to bring some joy in your life. If you have been overjoyous and over lightened up, you need to get a little more serious. You need to get rid of your laid back attitude and be a little more serious. If you haven't been serious, if you have been serious, you need to lighten up. So whatever you do, there needs to be a balance between both the approaches. A card which is a message from your lover: I am ready to fight for you, Capricorn. Or this could be your message for your lover, but we have picked up the cards trying to know the message that your lover has for you. Capricorns who are trying to start something new in their life or trying to look for something that could give them healing, the advice is to work with flowers. Working with flowers opens your heart and brings blessings to others through your life purpose. So try planting, try working with flowers, try talking to them. Even that releases a lot of negativity from your life. And flowers have their own way of contributing happiness and contentness into your life. So try planting, try gardening, try growing some beautiful flowers that you wanted. Anyway, we've approached towards a very nice season, and planting and gardening is not really difficult in this season. So Capricorn, the crystal that you need to keep with you this week is Amazonite. If you have an Amazonite, please keep it with you. If you don't have it, please order from Ruhani Guidance. You get it in the bestest quality available, and they all come to you attuned and energized as per your energies. So this was your weekly prediction, Capricorn. Please write to me in the comment section below. Please try putting it in the comment section and not DMing me, because your likes and comments also help me increase the reach for my channel. And if you really want more regular updates, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel and help my family grow bigger. So Capricorn, this is for this week. Please stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance until I bring you the next reading. Good night and take care.